going to be changing the front differential fluid on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Now today we'll be using 75 W85. We only need 0.9 quarts for this specific vehicle. All the tools we'll need today is a ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet, and a 8mm Allen key. Here's the skid plate. There's the oil pan drain hole. And then over here, that's our front diff. Drain. Oh. Woo. It's dripping. Right. Now, let's go ahead and remove our drain plug. There we are. Easy. Should be using gloves, but dealing with the camera, no bueno. Not bad. Not bad. Hey. Not bad at all. Well, that drains, we'll go get our bottle ready. We have our bottle, it's now draining. Let's remove the cap here, okay? We are going to cut the cap because we have enough room to get that bottle, squeeze it to the fill hole. Get that tip, start about halfway. All right, and make sure, get your cover. All right, so plug. All right, let's get at her. Put this back in there just in case it tips. Okay. Switch. Tighten. Righty tighty. Okay. All right. We're sneaking this bottle just over here. Here, check it out. My bottle coming in from that side, passenger side wheel well area. Keep slowly. There's only 0.9, right? You don't want a lot of it to drip. Just take your time. We get the fill plug ready. Oh, it's draining. Right. See how it was leaking out of the hole, so that's good. Ratchet. Check. And check. Alright. Got ratchet away. Okay. Cleanup time. So the reason why we're doing it today is because we are due. The maintenance scheduled for the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT with the 392 6.4 liter Hemi is every 40,000 kilometers or every 24,000 miles. So that's just for the front diff. Not a lot of fluid, but very, very simple.